Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I would like to show to you how to make a paper text reveal using Canva mobile. So first open your Canva and then make a new project, and here I'm using this video project on my Canva. And after that, click the elements button and add a background of paper. So for example, I will type paper, then click the paper texture, and I'm going to use this one. Then tap the three dots button, then set image as a background. After that, add a text. For example, I'm going to add pop-up like this. Change the font. I'm going to change it onto this. Wait for a moment. I'm going to change the font onto Zico display inline, this one. I'm using this, and then increase the size like this, and I will change it onto a yellow color, like this. Swipe left the toolbar, click effect and add a leaf effect, just like that. Now the next steps, you need to type torn paper. This is the element that we will add onto the design. So you can use any element onto it, just be more creative. Okay, like this. Now we're adding more until it's covering all of the text, like that. Adding it again, this one again, and I think this one is good. Okay, again. So where is it? Which one with? Okay, I think I'm adding this one too. And again, make sure you adding it until it looks like it's covering all of the text, like this and like this. And after that, minimize the page, duplicate it like this, click the second page, this one, and now you just need to decrease the size of the torn paper, just like this, decrease it, and the last part, this one and this one. And after that, I think I'm going to increase the size of this text like that to make it look like it's pop up. And now the last part that you need to add is a transition. So click plus button and then click the transition and use this match and move. And now you need to increase the length of the duration or the speed of the transition. And again, I am going to duplicate this first clip, this one, and then put it on the third clip to add an ending onto it. Go back to your page, adding a transition between clip 2 and clip 3. As same as before, you need to increase the speed of the transition. And after that, we can see the result, and it will be look like this. That's the way how to make a paper text reveal using Canva mobile. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.